everyone! Today I would like to introduce to you. It is a multimedia entertainment system. It features a high-quality carbon fiber central control panel, scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, with delicate texture, making your driving pleasure more upgraded. First, let's take a look at the appearance of this central control panel. It is made of high-quality carbon fiber material. After careful design and process treatment, make the surface of the panel show a delicate texture and texture. Not only beautiful and elegant, but also has strong scratch and wear resistance. In addition, this central control panel also features rich functions and convenient user experience. It uses the latest intelligence system, can connect mobile phone mapping, automatic speech recognition, and other functions. Make it easier and more convenient for you to drive. Finally, I would like to emphasize this one: the high quality and reliability of the central control panel. It uses advanced materials and techniques, ensures the quality and durability of the panels, let you feel more at ease during driving. Overall, this multimedia entertainment system is a high quality, high reliability, easy to use central control panel. It will be a significant other to your driving pleasure. Thank you very much.